Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to trade a little manually for binary option on two brokers. You can follow my trades, just use the link you see up here right now, and you can follow my live stream where I trade both this at the same time. And this is completely for free, okay? You can also use the link you find below the video. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you'll never lose a video from me. Also, if you have any question, put them below the video, okay? So now let's see if we can find some beautiful trades. So now we see we're going to take a 30 seconds trades. We see that we have a little trend upwards here. So let's make ourselves a beautiful trend line there. Something like this. Let's make it a little better. So I will do a $50 trade if we come down to that line. Let's wait and see. Now come on. Do you want to come down to this line or not? We need a little more for us to take this trade. I want to come down at least to this line. You see that he come down here, 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 and probably will be with this one also. There, we take it there. Here we can see that with this broker it's a little more easy to trade. We find more specific areas to trade. So I prefer to trading on this broker. Here we need to be a little more inventing, but it's working. That's the most important thing. So now let's see. Let's see if we win this trade here first. Let's take a up trade here. We see that we are in a strong support down here. So let's see if we can win that trade also. You see that there is a very strong support. Probably he will push up from there. And just like that, $95 profit here and a $45 profit here. So total 95 plus 45, we made $140 profit. It's that easy to trade. So make sure you join me on my live streams. It's every single day, and let's make some money together, okay? So with that, have an amazing day.